So, ang pinaka-mamiss mo if you're going to arrive Canada and you're from Macau or Hong Kong, Singapore or Malaysia, and then your employers from there are very generous in terms of food. Ang pinaka-mamiss mo dito is yung vegetables, yung A to Z types of vegetables and fruits. Ito yung mamimiss mo talaga, grabe, pag dumating ka dito. Merong vegetable dito, but it's different. Pag nanggaling ka dyan sa Hong Kong, pag nanggaling ka dyan sa Singapore or dyan na mga countries. Yun yung pinaka-na-miss ko. It's because Chinese people love soups and vegetables and different kinds of vegetables, and yun yung pinakaunang ma-miss mo. But it's I don't know, you have to adjust as well. You have to buy it for your own if you want to eat more. If you can go to Filipino friends' house, and if you're invited, you can eat more there. Ano ganun.